guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a quick hair tutorial that I like to do. This is practically my everyday go-to look. I usually go in, with my wand that is from Drybar. I really do like it. I also do go in with a curling iron. I go back and forth, depends if I want more of like a tighter, fancier curl, then I will go with the curling iron, but as of now I just do the wand because it is quick, easy, and I just like the look so far. Anyways, if you guys want to see how I do my hair like this, then just please keep on watching. Okay, so my hair is just washed. I just blow dried it, and now we're gonna jump on in. So what I do is I just part right above my ear and then just have, a pretty good amount still down, but not a whole lot. And so I just, twist it up like so, and then I just get my hair clips and I put that in, and then I get another one because my hair is pretty slippery right now. So then I divide it in two and then pull it forward. I brush it out again, and being that I just blow dried my hair, I put 2 heat treatments in, like the, oh, I forgot the name of it, but I'll put that into the description box. But I also went in with the Tresemme heat tamer. So I sprayed that all when I was blow drying my hair, but when my hair is dry, I tend to often go in with my Eve.Nye Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. It's with argan oil and sunflower seed oil, and this one I like because since it has that dry, oily feel, it doesn't leave your hair oily or nothing, but it just has that dry oil, so it tends to keep some frizz down and keeps it pretty smooth. So, and I like it because it also leaves your hair shiny. So I'm gonna go ahead and just spray 2, and then on this side as well. Then I go ahead and comb through it again, and I use the Drybar wand, and I go up all the way to 450. So I always use a ton of heat treatment, heat protectant, because I just don't want my hair to get damaged or anything. So anyways, I don't grab, the same amount of hair or anything. I just, get whatever I want, what I feel like I want to do, and then I count to 15 on each strand. So that's all I do, and I like doing it this way because it's quick. I like the beachy wave look, and again, I just like it because it doesn't take a lot of time. So again, we're just gonna grab another part and then count to 15. And I always leave like a little piece out. Some are longer than others, but I always tend to leave some out. And then this is what I do around my whole head. So once I'm done with this bottom part, I'm just gonna fast forward through the rest, so we're not here for a long period of time. But this whole technique way of doing the hair with the wand, it really doesn't take long at all as to a curling iron, which, don't get me wrong, I still like my curling iron and stuff. I do really like it, but I've just been more into the wand right now. So that's just what I've been using at the moment. And one of my videos, I believe it was when I did the dark brown smoky eye one, that I did use a curling iron with. So it almost looks the same, but I think the way it does the curl, it just gives it a different look. It has more of like a fancier look for me, and that's why I do love that one. But lately, like I said, I've been just using the wand. But I used to really not like wands. Like, you know, when they first started coming out, I really hated it. Like, I remember my very first wand I bought, I used it once and returned it. I used the Conair wand. I don't remember exactly the name of it or anything, but all I remember is that it was a silver one, and I don't know what made me want to get it. By just looking at it, I should have known. But the way that the barrel was it was fatter here, but it really wasn't a big wand, and then it totally slimmed down into like a pencil thin straight, and when I used that, I hated my hair so bad the way that it looked, and I've never wanted to buy another wand since. But you know, as I was looking at the wands recently, I've noticed, like, for instance, with the dry bar one, I like because it's the same size. It doesn't go straight into a point. So yeah, I just thought that was a funny story to share. So anyways, like I said, I'm gonna go and do the rest of it. I'm gonna fast forward it, and I will be back when I do the tops. Okay, so now that we are on the top, we're still doing the same thing, but I just want to show you real quick of how I do the top part by the roots, because mainly like for the front, but I do hold it pretty close because I really want the top to stand up just a little bit, but we shake it out later. But it's just the fact that I want it like that, so it still has somewhat of a little volume, and you know, we're not too flat. Because on the other parts, if you notice, I did not have it really close to the root because I don't want it too much of a volume down there. I just want it more on the top. But don't get freaked out, you know, it definitely will come through at the end. So I just want to up a few of the curls so I could do the top like the other. This side I tend to have more than I do on that side because my part is more on this side, so that is why I leave it. Doing this part, and again, so I just do this for the rest. Okay, so I'm done with that, so I'm turning that off. And then I just go and shake everything out. And then lastly, what I'd like to do is I grab this little oil thing that I got, and it's the nth degree. And anyway, it's the Soothing Moroccan Argan Oil and Keratin. It's a hair serum, but this is what it looks like, just so you can see, because I guess it's nth. Anyways, so I pour probably more than what it's recommending, but I just have like that much. But I like to focus on the ends first because I feel those always need it more. And yeah, just focus majority of that, and then I start working my way throughout the hair. I don't touch the root, I just go over lightly over top of the rest of my hair and make sure all the frizz is down. So that is what my hair looks like after everything is done. So that is how I get my hair. So yeah, I really hope you guys liked it. I hope it was easy enough for you guys to do, because it is very simple, you know. But it is a quick, fun, easy look to do. This is what I always do with my hair. I never really have my hair straight because I really honestly I hate my hair straight. I feel like there's not a lot of volume, or it's just bland for me unless I put it like half up or in a ponytail or things like that. But overall though, I curl my hair for the most part. I don't think I'm gonna change that for quite a while. So, but yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, I really would appreciate it if you like this video, and then please subscribe and let me know, as always, if there's anything you guys want me to do for you guys, a look, want me to go test out some products, anything like that, just let me know and I'll be glad to do it. Just again, put them in the comments below. And with all that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.